You look Russian there. Oh my God. You look so pretty.
You know, when
Yeah, of course. I can buy, but I'm worried about the security issues because here, everywhere, in every street, have a military office.
I don't think only if you move from up just the streets, it will be not a big deal.
Okay, we will make it. I will buy it. No problem. It's not issue. After registration, like 2-3 days, I'm free. Then we have to find the shop of drone, and we can go. You know, where is the where do we buy the drone or anything
We'll
else?
find out.
Yes, I can buy. No issue.
Oh my god, I remember this when I was in school. They made us all stay if we didn't want to.
Okay, guys, हम आ गए हैं. What's the name of this place?
Памятник Исмаила Самани.
इस्माइल इस्मानी. Okay, ये कोई इस्माइल इस्मानी इनके थे जी. Like जैसे हमारे.
This part,
Yes.
this statue is what we call a center. If you say center, that is this side, and everything else is a little bit far than center.
Okay, Central City.
Yeah, this is the part of it.
Okay, सेंट्रल सिटी है ये इनकी. और ये जिनका स्टैचू लगा हुआ है ये यहाँ के जैसे हमारे कायद आज़म और लामा इकबाल रहे हैं.
Oh, that's
ये
our giant library.
Okay, giant.
Giant, big
Big, yeah, of course, big. Giant is big.
library. So there's
Yeah, giant library. Yes, I understand.
business center.
Okay, this is the trade center or this is the library sites.
Yeah.
What call? This is Twin Towers. What call of this place?
Oh, they didn't even finish the building yet.
Oh my God, it's not
We
complete.
don't know.
ठीक. अच्छा गाइस, आज इनका है टीचर्स डे. सब यहाँ बच्चे शच्चे इकट्ठे हुए हैं उनको अप्रिशिएट करने के लिए टीचर्स को. ये वो पर्सन है जिन्होंने हेल्प किया लाइक कायद आज़म और लामा इकबाल की तरह. इनको वी गो दिस साइड. इन्होंने हेल्प किया था इनको आज़ाद होने में और ऑल थिंग ताजिकिस्तान को. और या समथिंग लाइक दिस. Oh my God! But this is off season, but they show very good color. फूल बड़े प्यारे लग रहे हैं जी. बहुत ज़्यादा. वैसे सीज़न ख़त्म हो गया इनका. Yeah, we have to eat also barbecue after walk. Cake was fully digested. But I am like the how do I explain myself? I'm very foodie. Even I eat food 10 times in day. Yeah, I'm ready for this because I know that if I eat good, then I will fight good. But right now I live the boxing, but fight with the problem of the life. What you eat in morning?
Usually either shir chai.
Okay. Tajik chai.
Yeah, like Tajik chai.
Because you look so good. That's why. That's why I'm asking. What you?
Shir chai either just omelette.
Omelette. I love omelette. भाई मैंने उससे पूछा क्या खाया तुमने?
Oh, thing called gerb. I don't know how to say it in English. Tell me.
Shower?
No, I'll just Google it.
Okay. गाइस मैंने इससे पूछा नाश्ते में क्या खाती हो तुम, बहुत प्यारी लग रही है. उसने कहा चाय और ऑमलेट. एंड ये था जी इनका लाइक स्टैचू ऑफ सेंट्रल सिटी का स्टार्ट यहाँ से था और उस तरफ हमारा जो दूसरा है होटल है उधर था. ओके. कॉस्ट ऑफ फॉर्ब्स. Signs of like I understand.
Yeah, we got it right after the statue of Samani.
Okay. Yeah, they was not working now yet. Maybe after.
Yeah, they know they work usually in
Nights with lights.
either nice, either warm weather.
Oh, in warm weather. Because
this is not warm yet. This you haven't seen warm.
it's mean to Tajikistan was a warm, garam hai, huh?
It's very warm.
Oh my
This
God.
year there wasn't even a snow. We had snow, but not rarely.
Snow in December.
Few times only.
Oh, don't scare me. Don't scare me. I love snow.
I love it too, but we have so little of it.
Can we visit from here after a few days? Not now.
Yeah, but I can visit with you. I got my start in the summer.
Sorry. Oh yeah, of course. You got issue. I know. Yes, beautiful place. I visit first time. I never visit that.
I don't know what is that, but it's beautiful. This is our library.
ये जी इनकी library. This is your joint library.
Yeah, English books, Russian books, all kind of books.
Yeah, English, Russian और ताजी की हर किस्म की बुक्स अवेलेबल होती हैं स्टडी के लिए और मोस्टली कम हियर पीपल फॉर स्पेंडिंग टाइम्स नॉट कम्स हियर फॉर knowing the history. You want to eat ice cream?
No, I'm only full.
Okay, that's good. That's good. You're like me. You eat only healthy thing.
We just ate cake. It's not healthy.
Of course, cake was not. But cake was amazing. Cake was gooder than this ice cream. Ice cream was not actually eating material. This is other thing. Oh my God, so good place. I like it. Thank you for coming.
Sure. You're welcome.
Okay. मैंने इसको बोला जी जगह बहुत अच्छी है और आने के लिए शुक्रिया. Thank you. I hope so you will understand. I never speak my language too much because I don't want to put any bad thing in your mind.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's why I never.
Yeah, speak on your language.
Okay. Guys, यहाँ की ये है जी लोकेशन ऐसी है. Okay. ओके जी हम ये आ रहे हैं वहाँ टावर के पास. ये है जी निशान इनके उसका आर्म्स का वो फ्लैग ऑफ ताजिकिस्तान.
It's so bad because there's
No, yes. No ear.
Yeah.
He was yeah, that's good. He was relaxing. Museum. What type
Not
of
this one. This is the residence.
It's residence.
Yeah, and museum is this one.
Okay. If you have time, we have to visit museum.
Yeah,
Not today. Two other museum like a clock tower.
Oh, I got it.
You got it. I have to visit that place, but I don't found the with me any translator. We found one girl, but I was with boys. They don't want to go. They don't want to go because he says we don't want to go and you should obviously not. Yeah, even I try with girl. I'm going up. I'm gonna buy my tickets, or those guys. You should go with us and translate. He said, okay, no problem. I will explain. But my friend said, no. We don't want. And then we missed it. I missed that big chance to explore your history. But maybe inshallah. Because any time when you're free, maybe tomorrow I have to register tomorrow. Or any other day. Yeah, it's flower from the Tajikistan. Huh? Yeah. Oh, it's so good breed. Oh my God. Wow. भाई जी 5 फूल हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 5 roses on one. Okay. Can we go up or sit there?
Yeah, it's okay.
Are you sure you're not hungry now?
No, oh my God, it's a whole slice of cake. Here.
Of course, I love to follow the rules.
It's just dangerous not going on the road.
Yes, of course.
Drivers here are crazy.
Yeah, I know that. But mostly young guys, they drunk and drive so bad. They are mostly in the Mercedes. Bad guys mostly in the Mercedes. I also like Mercedes. Oh my God. Smells good. Feels good. Very open here, like, huh?
Especially when there is no sun. If it would be sun, it would be terribly hot.
Here?
Yeah.
भाई जी आज लकीली हमें मौसम ठंडा मिल गया, वरना ये कहती है हमें कभी इस तरह का मौसम नहीं मिला. यहाँ बहुत तेज़ बहुत ही धूप होती है. You want to have the balloon?
No, thank you.
Stop. He don't want money. No issue.
He says it's a gift.
How much asking?
Mali, kaç money?
Okay.
Yaklaş.
Okay.
One is 10 money.
10 money for one?
Yeah.
He wants 20 months.
I guess so. I always feel so sorry for this. Oh, okay, yes.
He was happy?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Huh? Okay, take it, run, boy, run. Take it, run, okay? You want more? Oh, he never understands English. Oh, relax.
What's the point with this one? I feel so bad for them. Maybe it's because of their parents.
Sorry?
Yeah. I don't know if you have it in Pakistan, but there's.
Yeah, everywhere. That have like people everywhere, even in America,
No,
everywhere in the
it's
world.
not that kind of people. They have their home, but
They show them they do not have it.
No, their parents make them do it.
Oh.
Because
yeah, everywhere in the world. Yes. You're right.
Yeah, that's so sad. Their
Oh,
parents make
see?
them do it anyway.
You look Russian there. Oh my God. You look so pretty. That old fashion of Tajikistan.
Yeah. Oh, you haven't seen old fashion yet.
Yeah, no, I never
That's a
seen
new fashion. Old fashion is so many.
dresses and many more things. Oh
Yeah.
my God, beautiful park.
Yeah, one of the biggest things I like in Tajikistan is so many parks.
Yes, of course. It's so
Oh my
so
God!
good.
I will show you an amazing view.
Of city?
You will get crazy. Let's go there.
Let's go.
We can go there and make a lot of videos.
Bye. I'm scared. When he called your name in the hotel, oh my God! I thought today.
So many people called named Bonu.
Bonu?
Yeah, there's a lot of people named Bonu.
भाई जी इसका नाम बोनू है और हम बैठे हुए थे रेस्टोरेंट में तो इन्होंने एक बंदे ने आवाज़ दी बोनू और मैं डर गया भाई बोनू का बाबा आ गया या कोई अंकल आ गया आई एम सो स्केयर्ड जी हम आ गए हैं इनके इस उसके अंदर लाइक टावर के अंदर
You can just try to see this.
Ooh, yeah, look cool. Government work on this, yeah?
Yeah, and I will show you look, this side you can see the
Okay.
statue.
हम
This
यहाँ
side you can see the flag.
Oh wow.
This side they will build something, I guess.
Yeah.
And this side the most amazing side. Let's go. I show you. You will go.
Okay.
get crazy.
ये जी मुझे व्यू दिखाने के लिए जा रही है ये इनका कोई रेजिडेंस एरिया है who lives there?
Not leaves works. President.
Okay, president's office.
Yeah.
प्रेसिडेंट्स ऑफिस ये इनका जी वो निशान है लाइक आर्म्स का उधर ये आगे हैं इनके बंदे जो जिनका इनका नाम भी लाइक वो सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट इनका जी वो है नोट पे इनकी तस्वीर भी है और नेम भी है ताजिक
Statue of Ismail Samani.
या ये स्टैचू है इस्माइल सुमानी का और हम अभी जा रहे हैं देखने बेस्ट व्यू ऑफ दिस पार्क What he says?
He says come pop some balloons, sweetheart.
You want?
Yeah.
After this?
Oh, here's kids places and
Okay.
there's the view.
Guys, हम हैं जी पार्क में with I don't remember your name again. Bonu. I'm so sorry. Your name was so nice.
Yeah.
But actually issue was I don't remember easily. I don't fix some word easily, any word easily in my mind. It's so difficult
I got
for
the
me.
same problem. Oh, here we go.
Oh my God. Oh
here
wow,
was
sports area.
There was a how to say it when horse riding.
Yeah, I understand. Horse club.
Yeah, but it was a long time ago. I still don't know what they're gonna make with it.
Wow. Oh, I love this. Oh my God.
And here's the tree.
Woohoo. Wow. Nice place. Even. Oh my God. Oh my, nice view, especially green side. Oh my God, it's just make amazing. गाइस बानू तो हमें बड़ी अच्छी जगह पे ले आई है लाइक देखने के लिए घूमने के लिए जगह बहुत अच्छी है टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए अच्छी है जगह ओह शी हैव वन बैलून यू हैव टू बैलून्स यू गॉट टू बैलून भाई हमने तो नहीं लाइक ज़बरदस्ती ही उसने ही सेल्स विद फोर्सफुली
Oh, airplane.
एयरप्लेन एयरपोर्ट वाज नियर देयर अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस बानू और मैं वापस जा रहे हैं इसने जाना है क्लिनिक पे अपने दांतों का चेकअप करवाने और मैंने जाना है वापस घर क्योंकि मेरे दोस्त इंतज़ार कर रहे होंगे और वो परेशान हो रहे होंगे You don't want to eat something else?
Oh my God, I'm so full. How can you eat something else?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. चलें जी मिलते हैं अगले व्लॉग में मेरे चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करें इंशाल्लाह बोनू के साथ अगला व्लॉग बहुत जल्दी लेके आऊँगा बाय बाय
Bye.
Oh, you have to say like, share or subscribe.
Like, share or subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. Yo, it's fine. Okay, thank you.